So a student asked me to do this particular problem. It's in section 3.3, and it intercepts horizontal and vertical lines. So it's asking me to graph both of these equations, y equal to -7/2 and x equal to -7/2. So part of the problem I've seen students have is they forget to label, but you have to label it as soon as you're done. So if you have y equal to -7/2, well, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So that's where y is always going to be. So I go to y at negative, so let's go into the palette that is. So if y is going to be negative 3.5 all the time, I go down, here's -2, here's -3. So negative 3.5 is right between -3 and -4. So I'm going to plot the first point, which is going to be 0 for x and negative 3.5, 3.5 for the y. Now I just have to do one more. So I know it's going to be a horizontal line because y is always -7/2. So I'll just pick another one, like go over x in 4 units, right? So go over x to 4 and then back down to -3.5. And so now I have to label it. So I have to pick which one this is. This is the y equal to -7/2. Okay, and then maybe I'll do a save and go back in again. So now we're doing x equal to -7/2. So again, I pick, and I'm going to plot my first point where x is always -7/2, which is really -3.5. So here's 3, here's 3.5 negative. So there's my first point where x is -3.5 and y is 0. Now I just have to plot another point, but x has to be -3.5, so I can either go up a certain number or I can go down a certain number. Let's go up to 8 for y. So this point here is -3.5 up 8, and then I'll add a label. The label is going to be x this time, and then I hit save. Okay, and so here are my two lines, and you can see them real clearly here. Okay, so these are my two lines. Now I just hit check, and yep, well done means I got it correct. So this problem particularly is just asking you to plot a horizontal line where y is equal to -7/2 and to plot a vertical line where x is -7/2. And that's it.